Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to another silver issue of this video. For this video, we have three more Australian dollars, each at 0.999 silver. This one is a IOB portrait of the Queen against a frosty background. It really makes the Queen stand out as she's in silver and the background is a frosty background. On the reverse, we have the 2015 1 ounce 0.999 silver, and then it has, I can't see the mint. I thought that was a mint mark. It is the mint mark. It's a Perth mint mark. Australian funnel web spider, one of the most dangerous spiders around. It's got a frosted background on the inner circle, and the actual animal, the funnel web spider, is in a silver colour rather than the frosted background. It makes it stand out no end. Just look at it, look at the details you've got there with the legs. The back part of the body has got a fantastic amount of detail in it, as the upper part is. And you have like the pincers, or are they the feelers just before you get the fangs that will dig into you and sort of inject poison into you? One of the reasons why I would be reluctant to go to Australia is creatures like this. The long flight is bad enough, but when you get off and you realise that there's creatures like these three waiting for you, it makes you wonder why you'd want to be there. So this is the first of the three Predator silver coins. The second one is also a rare Ian Rank Broadley coin. This one is against the silver. It's a silver background with a frosted version of the Queen, so it's the opposite way round to the first one. This one is a 2015 1 ounce silver coin, 0.999, and it's an Australian saltwater crocodile. So these vicious animals, or these animals that can be vicious and are predatory, they are the bigger crocodiles, I believe, in Australia, the salties. They call them salties, don't they? There's immaculate detailing of the animal in the frosted section. The animal itself is frosted against a silver background. This is also from the Perth mint mark at the bottom here, on this bottom edge. And the detail in the features of the salt itself is quite magnificent in many ways. The mouth, and you can see the individual teeth as well, which is real detail. All the scaling of the crocodile going right the way up and through its tail. Its tail going off outside the edge of the inner circle, but stops at that point. This is a wonderful rendition of a crocodile, I think, and I really do like it, even though the thought of meeting one of them is slightly scary. In fact, it's a horrible thought. This next one, again, is an IOB portrait. It is a $1 coin. Again, this is the opposite way around again. It has Elizabeth II Australia, $1 around the outer circle, which is silver. Then in the inner circle is frosted, and the Queen is in silver, embossed in silver. On the back, we have a wedge-tailed eagle. Again, we have the Perth mint mark at the bottom. We have a wedge-tailed eagle. Again, the detail on this, the background is frosted, and the eagle itself has such wondrous detail in it. It's really fantastic detail. These Australian coins are absolutely unbelievable for the detail that they have, and I really enjoy looking at these coins. I'm going to take it back out because that's really now. We've seen the 3 coins now, and what we're going to do is just bring all 3 of them in so you can see them together. Let's go out a little bit more. There we go. You've got the 3 coins together. For a Predator series of coins, do you actually like these coins? Tell me down in the description below whether you like them or not. I think they've got fantastic detail on them, and I'm very happy to have them in my collection. I am currently trying to grow my channel this year, so I'm looking for help from people like yourselves. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. 2, if you've not already subscribed and you think I deserve the chance to be one of your channels you subscribe to, I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, etc. So as I say, I'm trying to grow the channel, and both of those items, the likes and the subscriptions, help with the algorithm towards getting me put in front of new people. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins for the price you want to pay. You can find the coins for the price you want to pay. Lastly, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy and that you want to watch. And thank you for watching right to the end of the video, and from me until we meet up next time on this channel, thank you very much, and bye bye. Ta-ra now. Bye bye.